section of Constitution of India, we are looking into fundamental rights, and today we are going to see in detail about the first fundamental right, that is right to equality. So right to equality is the first fundamental right which brought the end to the untouchability, which brought end to untouchability. This right stands for the principle of equality before the law as well as social equality, as supports the non-discrimination of people on any basis, that is on the basis of gender, caste, creed, etc. This right also states that every Indian citizen is equal in front of law and prohibits discrimination on the grounds only of religion, race, caste, sex, place of birth, or any other grounds. Article 14 is available to any person, including legal persons, that is statutory corporation, companies, etc. So you can say that right to equality is included in Article 14. Article 14 is taken from the concept of equal protection of laws from Constitution of USA. So this was taken from Constitution of USA. It was referenced from Constitution of USA to our Constitution under Article 15(3). Article 15 of 3 and 15 of 4. The government can make any special provisions for women and children and for a group of citizens who are economically and socially backward. Okay, so that is for special provisions. And then Article 16 says that you don't have to do brackets over here. Brackets means sub. Article 16 says there shall be equality of opportunity for all citizens in matter relating to employment or appointment of any office under the state. Then Article 18 states that no title not being a military or academic distinction shall be conferred by the state. No citizen of India shall accept any title from any foreign state. So this means that no title here means that if you are a doctor, if you are a lieutenant general, then it is fine. Okay, these are the titles given by the government of India under the constitution. But the titles of Maharaja, Bahadur, Subedar, that were the titles given before independence. They shall not be continued. So other than the military or academic distinction, any any title will not be conferred. The award Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri, called the national awards, would not amount to the title within the meaning of Article 18. So Article 18 does not include the title given by the national awards, that is Bharat Ratna, Padma Vibhushan, Padma Bhushan, Padma Shri. Okay, so this is the basics of right to equality. So right to equality is under Article 14 to 18. So next we are going to see right to freedom in our next video. So stay tuned to our channel for more. Please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.